that I share a lot with HSPs, and this concept of, we're such deep feelers and feel things in such an overwhelmed way. I know we both have stories in our past that talk about some of our experiences with challenging, being challenged by having such intense emotions. So I always love hearing people's stories. How did you get started in what you're doing?
Yeah, so I have been doing or sharing what I do with others for the last 7 years, where it has become really my passion to teach women to master their emotions. But like many of us, my journey truly started since I was little, when I was a little girl, and now recognizing that I am an HSP. I was always extremely sensitive. I would describe myself as being very shy. I was always hiding behind my mom. I could really easily pick up on other people's emotions, or if they were not feeling happy, even if everything seemed to be okay. And that translated into anxiety. To the world, I was just experiencing anxiety. And for me, I kind of kept it to myself. I never mentioned anything about it. But it was after I had my daughter that I began to experience postpartum depression. And for me, I feel that that was when everything within me, my mind, my emotions, my body said, that's it. We cannot keep ignoring or denying what's going on. And the way that I got started in all of this is kind of like what many of you are experiencing today. I wasn't doing good, and I got invited to a class. And the class was about meditation. And I remember that I attended the class, 0 expectations. And I was telling myself, well, it's not going to work for me because I cannot meditate. That's the thing I used to tell myself. My mind cannot stop. It's just not going to work. And the moment that I arrived at that class, I was introduced to the practice of emotional integration, which I'm about to share with you a little bit today, which is what I like to call the mindfulness of emotions. And that day, I learned that I had a choice in how I reacted or processed my emotions.